G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm going to make for you a winter spiced smoothie. It's been getting a little bit cooler here in Australia, so I wanted to make a delicious smoothie recipe that would help to fight off any cold or flus and really help to boost your immune system as well. So here it is. I'm using the Smoothie A3500, the top of the line Vitamix model, and I'm going to put in 2 bananas. Now we peel our bananas, of course. You can put the banana peel in if you like. This doesn't taste very good. So peel those, even the monkeys do that. We're going to put in a whole orange. We try to leave as much of that white part on as possible, as much of the pith. There's lots of good bioflavonoids and vitamins in there, vitamin C. So throw that whole orange in. This is a Vitamix. You can throw the whole orange in, it's not going to hurt it. I've got 2 dates to sweeten it up. Pitted dates, we've removed the pits of course, because they're like stones. I've got, I think about 1/3 or 1/4 cup of almonds there. I've got a little slice of ginger, really good for you, really good for immunity. And I've also got some spices. So in here, I have a combination of allspice, which is like cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and then I've also got some cardamom. And I've also got 1 star anise here as well. So I'm going to put the little star straight in like that. It's going to give it a beautiful flavour, and that's really good for, you know, fighting cold and flus, and really good for digestive health as well. 3/4 cup of water here, and then some ice. You can have this as a warm smoothie if you like. I prefer to have it as a cold smoothie, and I'm going to lock our lid into place. And that's it, we're going to get blending. I'm going to start it on the smoothie program. So this model, you can just hit the smoothie button. You see it'll run for 50 seconds, and then it'll automatically turn off when the smoothie's complete. So let's get blending. Alright, our smoothie is done. That's gone for about 50 seconds. It automatically shuts off for us. Remove the lid here. And let's try some of that. I just serve it up here. So good. If you love spices, a little bit of ginger, you're gonna love this smoothie. Happy blending.